sometimes, like if you're for tenor starting down here, it can be a little trickier because you just have to get where that where it feels depth, but without adding any force into that. See, because as you get up to out here, it's a little bit more comfortably in your speaking range, so your resonance does improve there. Let's start with part. So, yeah. Now, when you're going, if you're thinking of your ah, because we have this, like again, you're doing the resonance that's coming into the face in front. But now with the vowel, you're thinking ah, ma, because we're keeping this feeling of presence, but at the same time you want to feel that your ah is a little bit deeper.